Hi, I'm Chris from Faradite and we're at ISE 2020. And today I just want to talk to you about a new product that we're launching at the end of the month. Now, we're known for our volt-free, low-profile motion sensors. And today at the show, we are launching a IP67 version of our motion sensors. They have exactly the same connections as the popular Motion Sensor 360 volt-free, so they can be used with multiple different control systems, including Lutron, Crestron, Rayco, Control 4, basically any system that has a digital input or dry contact input you can use with these sensors. The back of the sensor has a seal, which when connected to the front means that the sensor is rated to IP67. For more information, you can head to our website, faradite.com, and also check out our social media pages at Faradite. Thanks.